All right, so on this graph of the week, I would like 12 responses. I know you don't have a ton of time, so 12 responses is all I want. Try to make them longer than just a couple words. Some of you are getting very short with your observations, and I would prefer full sentences. So just keep that in mind. And again, you can always use the questions at the top to help you. So the first graph we're going to talk about is this one on the left, and it's actually two different diagrams from the Wall Street Journal. So let's kind of focus on this first one. It says that the title is Losing Interest, U.S. Youth Baseball Participation Ages 7 to 17 in Millions. So the x-axis of this is time. It looks like we started the year 2000. It measures to 2010, 2011, 12, 13. Which is actually what it says on the line, so that's awesome. And basically, it looks like the y-axis is millions, so 0 million, 2 million, 4 million, 6 million, 8 million, 10 million, and it's kind of showing over time how many people were participating in baseball over the last, or between 2000 and 2013. So it looks like in 2000, it was like almost 9 million youth participating, and then slowly it is declining, which is really interesting. By 2013, it was 5.3 million, and I wonder what it would be now. I guess we'll never know. Maybe you can look it up. And then there's always some footnotes that I think are kind of good. So football participation is down from 5.4 million in 2006. Maybe that's a footnote for the thing on the right. Note, all figures cover both male and female participation in each sport. Okay, and the source for this is the National Sports Goods Association. All right, so yeah, that was actually referring to the thing on the right, this sort of diagram. So it says U.S. youth sport participation ages 7 to 17 changed from 2000 to 2013. So it looks like this is just giving sort of a snapshot. So in 2000, 8.8 million youth between the ages of 7 and 17 were playing baseball, and then that dropped to 5.3 million by 2013. Softball went from 5.4 in 2000 to 3.2 in 2013. Basketball, wow, basketball is popular. Whoa, went from 13.8 down to 10.3. Soccer went from 9.2 to 6.9. And tackle football went from 4.2 to 4.9. Okay, so that's where it looks like tackle football increased, but it does say football participation is down from 5.4 million in 2006. Okay, so it kind of went up in the middle and then it went back down. Interesting. All right, so there's all those figures. Also think why would that happen? So to me, I'm thinking okay, well, part of the reason why people are doing less of these kind of traditional sports is because other sports were coming along. So you guys will see when you go to West, there are so many sports options. You don't just have to choose between baseball, basketball, soccer anymore. My brother played rugby and still plays rugby, actually, I think. I don't know. I played lacrosse. I did bowling. There's just a lot of other sports. So I wonder maybe if there's more options or if literally just the popularity's gone down. I don't know. So there are a variety of reasons. And I think another reason's kind of addressed over here. Yep. So rising cost of youth sports. Nearly 2 out of 10 families are spending more than $1,000 per month on elite youth sports. Amount sports parents say they spend per child on athletics. Whoa. So okay, the only footnote at the bottom is it says if there's more than one child, the percent reflects the most expensive child. So, wow. 63% of parents said that in per month. That's how much you're spending per month? Dang. Yeah, so since the title says that they're spending more than $1,000 per month, I assume that these are all monthly. So it looks like 63% of the parents said that they spent between $100 and $499 on a single child per month for sports. Whoa, that is crazy. And then 18% said that they were spending between $500 and $999 per month per one child. 11% said they were spending somewhere between $1,000 and $2,000 or $1,999. And then 8% of parents said they spent $2,000 or I assume more dollars per month for one kid in a sport. Wow, that is crazy. Now, I know that some of you guys do spend a lot of time doing sports and maybe are on like competitive teams. So I don't know, maybe your parents are spending a couple hundred a month. That's wild. I was never very good at sports, as you can imagine. So, my parents weren't spending that, but yeah, that's crazy. And maybe that's a factor in the reasons why, there's been a decline in interest or a decline in enrollment in sports. So cool. Well, interesting. 12 observations. I think I gave you plenty to go off of, but you're welcome to make more observations or talk about different things or make inferences about why these graphs are the way they are. And also you can just think how it relates to your life or what you might expect to see in the future. So please finish that. Make sure that they're labeled and you get them all done. And then that's the last thing. You have to make sure you turn in all three things: the bell work, the graded mini quiz, and the graph of the week to the substitute. Please put your name on them. Please make sure they all get turned in. Hopefully he'll organize them for me, and then I can grade them and have so much fun seeing all the important, exciting things that you guys notice on these graphs. So please be good, don't be crazy, and have an awesome weekend.